The other question that came through was, do you need specific lens to create the light strikes in a reception? And this question came because they're talking about this light, a picture like this, for instance. You can see the light strikes there. This is during the reception, okay? And the question is, do you need specific lens, a specific lens to create those light strikes? The answer is no, you don't. They will create with any lens that you have, right? What's key to that type of picture is that you have a very slow shutter speed, and you have to have flash, because remember, flash freezes the movement. As you can see that everything's out of focus, but the subject on that picture is in focus, which is the lady in the red dress. And I have another one here that I can show you. Let's look at this one, for instance. Look at that one, for instance, right? The couple is in focus and everything is out of focus. But look at the shutter speed on that picture. It's 1/8 of a second, f4.5, ISO 1250. Okay, so I'm using a high ISO and high ISO to take advantage of the ambient light that I have. We don't want to kill the ambient light, guys. You want the ambient light to be present, because that's what's nice about those reception halls. And 1/8 on my shutter speed allows me, when I shoot, and I just flip the camera like this, boom, pretty quick, shoot and flip. Shoot and flip, shoot and flip, right? So you got to be careful that the strikes, sometimes they cross people's face, but sometimes you get some really cool effect. Like sometimes you just get lucky, like this one, for instance. Let me show you. So this one, you see the groom has a crown around his head. I mean, that's just pure luck. So you see that I'm shooting that at 1/4 of a second. You see how the light setup is totally different? It all depends on how much light you have on the venue. This is a very well lit venue. They didn't dim the light during the reception time, so I'm using ISO 320 at 1/4 of a second because I want those strikes to be big. I remember when I did the picture, I was experimenting with different shutter speed, and I want the strikes to be a little bit bigger. And as I got lucky and get the crown on the groom's head there. So, but look at that, 1/4 of a second, 4.5, ISO 320, and everybody's in focus because flash freezes the movement. This is the real proof that flash freezes the movement. You don't need to believe me. Just look at those pictures and they will tell you. All right. Okay. Stop sharing.